Lighthouse coming at you, and what this is going to be is a box opening of the Stamina Cardio Exercise Bike. And what I want to tell you is it has an LCD workout monitor, displays time, distance, total distance, speed, and calories burned. It also has an app and an extra wide padded seat for cycle comfort. There's a demo you can watch on how to put it together, called a step-by-step assembly video, detailed video for easy assembly. I'm out for now. Okay, what we have on the front here, it states it has a free personalized workouts for your bike. That's an app for your phone. It also has pulse sensors, monitor heart rate while you pedal. As you can see right here, LCD workout monitor displays, I already said that, and there's the seat. And it also has a device tray. Place your device in the tray to do whatever that means, or other online workouts. That's the name of the app, I take it, huh? I guess it's Move. Cardio, strength, flexibility. Now obviously that either takes a battery or you have to charge up the battery. Looks pretty simple, straightforward, as you can see in the picture. Let's see. Low impact cardio, build lower body strength and endurance, 8 levels of resistance, step-by-step assembly. The move, we do the thinking, you do the moving. Easy setup and tutorial video. Free personalized smart audio workouts, coached by pros, encouraged by friends. Play your favorite music. Okay. Charlie, you want to help? That's my baby Boston there. I call him a baby, but he's 6 years old. Okay, I need to get into this. No, I'm not going to watch the video right now, unless I have to. Lighthouse out. Okay, let's begin opening the box. Don't mind my dogs. Make sure you check the date that when the seller received it. At Walmart there was one of these boxes that said 2021, believe it or not. And this box said that they received it on 12 of 2024. So, I got the newer one. There's some glue holding that down. Yeah, there's the glue right up here. See it? Okay. So far, so good. And I'll use my little GoPro to point at what's in the box. First off, we have some styrofoam on top here. So we want to get that out of there. And we'll get to what all this stuff is. There's a seat. Let's see how it hooks up. Okay, it's a 3-bolted type. Let me see. You can't see that probably, so that's what it looks like. Some more styrofoam. And directions. Looks like, yeah, and a bottle holder. Tools. Says Stamina Cardio Exercise Bike. Owner's manual. And there's tools, and there's screws, and some, we'll say, nuts and bolts. And another styrofoam. Okay. Handlebars and LCD monitor. Handlebars and LCD monitor. Let me set that right here. Like that. Well, it's not going to stand up, so we'll just let it lay down. And what else we got here? Some more styrofoam. And the bike body itself, which is pretty heavy. And a plastic bag that it's in. So, I'll tip it over a little bit so you can see it. I'll set my camera back here. And get it out of the way. Now you can see the pedals. Not the pedals themselves, but the pedal, the wheel, we'll call it. I think you can see that. Okay. I'm going to put this other stuff out of the way because I don't want to break nothing. Slide that over there. Quite a different type of seat. It's kind of simple. Simple. Okay. We'll tip it over here like this. I don't want to be in the way. I want to be behind it, not in front of it. It's wedged in down here into the cardboard. The wheels. I'll call it the wheels. I'm not going to rip the box because you might have to take it back. You see what I mean? Okay. Let's see what's laying in here. It's like a piece of plastic came off or something. I don't know if you can see that. That up there. Oh, there's some stuff in this styrofoam here still. It's taped in there pretty good. Oh, it's the pedals. The pedals. Okay. opening of the box opening. Big deal. So, throw the styrofoam back in the box. And we'll get this stuff out of the way. Let's see if there's anything behind this piece of cardboard. No, that's just a protective piece. Just protecting it. What have we got over here? Oh, my camera. My camera took a hit. So we'll just set it back over that way. Take that styrofoam out of there. Take the plastic off of it. That's the front legs. Right there. Okay. Scissors. I think that'll work. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. I have no cameraman, so hopefully this will come out. Some packing. Okay. Because this is the end of the installation. Box opening, I'll call it.